everyone, this is Meenaga. A warm welcome to our channel Code Generator. Today we are going to cover the introduction part about Python. Before starting, I would like to share few ideas about what can we do with Python. Python is a multi-purpose programming language. We can use it for a variety of different tasks. We can use Python for machine learning and AI. It is also very popular in web development. With Python, you can save your time and increase your productivity. First of all, let us see what is Python. Python is a general-purpose programming language which is interactive, object-oriented, also easy to learn. It was created by Guido van Rossum and released in 1991. It is used for web development, software development, mathematics, system scripting. Now, let us see why Python. Python works on different platforms such as Windows, Mac, Linux, Raspberry Pi, etc. Python has a simple syntax similar to English language. Python has syntax that allows developers to write programs with fewer lines than some other programming language. Python runs on an interpret system, means that code can be executed as soon as it is written. This directly means that the prototyping can be very quick. Moving to next slide, what can Python do? Python can be used as a server to create web application. Python can be used alongside software to create workflows. Python can connect to database system. It can also read and modify files. Python can be used to handle big data and perform complex mathematics. Python can be used for rapid prototyping or for production-ready software development. Moving to the next slide, it's Python interface. So here we have three interfaces: idle, Python window and Python shell. Let us see what are these in depth. Idle is nothing but integrated development and learning environment. The Python installers for Windows contains the idle module by default. Let us go to Python Windows. Python window is the name of the interactive development environment which is called as IDE and is the part of the Python for Windows extension. Now comes Python shell. It is mainly used for running Python from the command line opens this interactive shell. For the exercise we will be using idle, but you can try them all and pick your favorite. Here comes the idle development environment. Here we will be seeing how the idle environment works. Idle helps you program in Python by color coding your program code, debugging, auto-indent and interactive shell. As I told you, idle helps you program in Python by color coding your program code. This is how it looks like. The comments in the program are always shown in red color with a hashtag and strings are in green. You can see definitions in blue color and orange color indicates it's a keyword. Then comes the output where the output will be in blue color. Blue color indicates the output. I have also told you idle is an interactive shell, means it is auto-completion. It also has a debugger with stepping and breakpoint features. So, this is the end of the session. We have reached our end. If you like the video, do like and share your views in comment section. For questions, you can find me at the following sites. Subscribe our channel and turn on notification for all future videos.